Hello everyone, it's Lara. So today I'm going to share an update with my 50 Shades of Green project pan. This is a fantastic ladies project and it was created by Jessica, Amanda, and Cece. And for this project we are working on 50 green items. My goal is to finish 50 green items. As of my last update I was up to 40 items. And as of this update I was able to finish 6 more items, so I am up to 46 finished items so far. So let me show you the ones that I was able to finish. So the first thing I was able to finish was this conditioner from Suave. It was good. I usually just use Suave, whether it be in the pump like that or just the really cheap version. I don't really do much with my hair. So, shampoo, conditioner, I'm pretty simple, and Suave is good enough for me. The next thing I was able to finish, which I'm pretty excited about, is the baby oil that I had in here. So, the label completely fell off because it was just, like, the oil was wearing down the adhesive. But anyway, I finally finished this. This has been in here, I think, since the beginning. But I finally finished it. I'm more of a moisturizer kind of person. I don't mind body oils, but yeah, just glad that that's finished. I also finished these 2 Paul Mitchel moisturizers that have been kicking around in this project because I had been really wanting to finish this. I was solely focusing on that. Finally finished it. Was finally able to get to these, and I also finished those. I also finished this, which I put in last update. So this is from Truly. It's the Unicorn Fruit Whipped Body Butter. I did not like this at all. I don't like the smell. I don't think fruit, when I smell it, it just smells bad. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. And the texture, like, I would not even consider it be whipped. It felt more like Play-Doh or putty. It did not, like, spread very well. It just was honestly infuriating to use. And I was almost tempted to just throw it away. But I decided to try maybe just using it on my, like, elbows and knees. Like, it's just a concentrated area since it didn't really spread very well. And in that way, I mean, I still didn't like it, but at least it didn't infuriate me, and I was able to use it up in that way. This jar is pretty small, and also I was just using a lot to try and use it up, but I would never buy anything from this brand ever again. Truly, I think I got this at Ulta. No, thank you. And the last thing is this Cetaphil makeup remover. Now there's technically a little bit at the bottom, but that's like maybe 2 uses. So for the sake of the video, I'm just saying it's done. I will finish off the little bit that's on the bottom, but for today, we're just gonna say that it's finished. I like this eye makeup remover. I think it does a good job. Doesn't irritate my eyes. So I would totally buy that again. So that means I only have 4 items left in this project. So the first thing I have is this hand cream from O'Keeffe's. I like this hand cream. This is really good hand cream. If you have like really dry, cracked hands, I totally suggest this because this really works. I also really like it because it's not scented. I hate putting scent on my hands. I don't know why, it just bothers me, but so I really like this. I try to remember to use it at night before I go to bed, but sometimes I forget. But I definitely think it has thinned out. I think that the last update, there was still kind of a lot of product at the top. But now I think most it's concentrated at the bottom. I will admit I don't think this packaging is the best. At first it was fine, but now that it's getting to the point where there's not a lot in there, I really have to squeeze really hard. And the product's thick. It's not the easiest to get out, but whatever. So I'm hoping I can get this done by the finale, because the finale is creeping up. We'll see. This thing I probably could have had done for this update, but I was kind of bad about doing my nails the past month. So this is the Sally Hansen Cuticle Remover. There's, I would say, maybe one more use left. It looks like it's up here, but that's just stuck to the sides. Like, it's pretty much really down there. But I think I could have this done by the next update. I feel like I've been getting back into the groove of doing my nails and being better about that, so hopefully that will be done. The next two things are still pretty full. So I have this Witch Hazel Toner from Humphreys. I was using something before this, but I can't remember what it was. So this had been kicking around in this project unused for a while, but I finally finished whatever I had been using before and started working on this. So it was like all the way to the top. Now it's down to here. So I'm not sure if this will be done by the finale, because this is not a full month's worth. I've only just started using this in the past couple weeks. So maybe. I'm going to try. I really, really want to finish all 50. I'm so close. So the last thing is this face mister from e.l.f. I didn't make as much progress as I could have, so I was there last time. Now I'm down here. That's because I took a break from this and was using something else for a while. Now I'm back to using this, and this will be my sole focus until the finale. Hopefully I can get this done too. I definitely will have this done by the finale. I'm pretty sure this will be done. I'm just a little worried about these two, but I think I can do it. Alright, that is everything. I'll see you next time. Bye!